Baywalk Residence Pattaya sits right on Beach Road, with sea views, tall palm trees, plenty of nearby dining. But wait a minute, there is 7-Eleven store. It has a second-floor dine-in. And right in the center of it all, framed by this lively neighborhood, is the entrance of the hotel. A friendly smile from the hotel staff sets a warm first impression. The lobby was like a chilled-out oasis in busy Pattaya. Rooms are simple, clean, and comfortable. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Think practical comfort rather than Instagram luxury. The room tour is a quick snapshot. A spacious room, comfortable bed, sofa, TV, and a clean bathroom. The views here are amazing. It's never hot here. There is a cool sea breeze in this town. One of the highlights here is breakfast on the rooftop. The breakfast is casual and straightforward. Bread, coffee, eggs, omelette, cereal, fruits, juices, and some Thai and Chinese dishes for variety. Staff's energy, friendliness, and smiles gave the whole experience a personal touch. Just behind the restaurant, I spotted a few colorful Thai birds, an unexpected but delightful little surprise. The boats and ships rest across the sea like tiny toys, bringing a playful charm to the view. In the evening, you don't need to wander far. Right outside, a Turkish doner kebab grill is buzzing with tourists and serving up fresh, juicy wraps. The kebab I ordered was absolutely delicious. Fresh, juicy, and full of flavor. The price wasn't bad at all for being in such a popular area. At around $45 per night in the low season, Baywalk Residence is a bargain. By contrast, Acqua Hotel Pattaya leans into a modern party-ready vibe. The location is Nightlife Central, right next to Tree Town, Myth Bars, and Honey One Massage. And yes, that's the famous soapy massage spot. So if you're not here for fitness or rooftop selfies, let's just say you'll come out feeling renewed. Both Baywalk Residence and Acqua Hotel are good choices. It's just a matter of whether you prefer sunrise vibes or late-night adventures. And as the night winds down, we end up at the Las Vegas Beer Garden nearby, Pattaya style.